How to fix Netflix can't update payment error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Netflix can't update payment error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, what we'll do is we'll clear out our cache. For that, head over to settings on your device, then go to general. Tap on general, and then you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage. Tap on it. Then here you'll need to search for Netflix. So let this load and there you can find your Netflix. Head over to your Netflix and there you'll see offload app option. Tap on offload app and then offload your Netflix completely. After you offload it, reinstall it, and after you've reinstalled it, all of the cache in your Netflix will get deleted. Doing that should fix your problem. If that does not fix your problem, you can also check for your network problem. So make sure that you're on good internet connection. You can try to just turn off your Wi-Fi and use your mobile data instead as well. So make sure that your network's not the problem. You can connect to a more stable and stronger internet connection and try to update your payment. So if that does not work as well, what you'll need to do is head over to your app store, search for Netflix, and after you search for Netflix, you'll see the app right here. If you see an update button available here, tap on update and update your app. After you've updated your app, your problem should be fixed. And yeah, if that does not fix your problem, there might be some issue or error on the information that you provided during the payment. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.